What's up everybody, welcome back to Garage Gym Gains. Ricky here, and today we're talking about the knockoff mag grips from Walmart. Here they are, the knockoff mag grips from Walmart. The kit's gonna get you 5 of them. I'm gonna talk about what I like, and then I'm gonna go over what I don't like, and there are a few things. So the first thing I really like, and the biggest selling point by far, is the price. Normal mag grip's gonna be about $70, depending on what size. All of these, 5 of them, come for $129, so that's pretty insane. You're gonna save a ton of money going with these, but there are some drawbacks, which we'll get to. But the things that I like so far, the handles themselves seem to be holding up pretty well. The rubber coating on the handles where you're putting your hands are pretty good. The rubber coating on the top where it's hitting the carabiner starts to wear out a little bit, but the coating on the handles themselves are good. You do get a variety of sizes. You get the small ones, they look almost the same, but they're flipped. So this one is meant to be pulled that way. This one is opposite. Supinated, pronated. Hopefully I got those right. I mix them up all the time. You have the big boy up here. Honestly, that one's almost too wide to do anything with. Yeah, it's pretty wide, or maybe I'm just narrow. I really like this guy in the middle, and this one's gonna be pretty close. It's about 1 inch longer on each side, so 2 inches overall. So those are things I do like. They feel pretty good in your hand, and the price is insane. But the things I don't like, first, these two are almost identical. I don't know why they chose to do 2 that were that close in length and still include them. I kind of wish they either just did a 4-pack, so you would save some money. You'd probably get it under $100, or have a different angle. Like these two have a different angle. These are both neutral, all 3 of them actually. It would have been nice to have a little bit of an angle either way, just so you have some options there. I kind of hinted on it already, but the top of these do get a little beat up. We'll show you a close up here in just a sec. But that's the next thing I don't like. Also, the metal grommets on the inside get bent up as well. The handles themselves are not going to be as good as mag grips, and it's because of the shape of this. So on a normal mag grip, you don't have this giant cylinder at the top, and these, the slanted portions are going to be a lot smaller, so it just fits in your hand much better. These still feel good, they just don't feel as good when you compare them directly to mag grips. Now in conclusion, who are these for? Do I recommend them? If you're on a budget, or you're just tired of waiting things to get in stock, they are a really good option. They're gonna be better than using just regular lat pull down attachments, seated row attachments that you might find in most kits. These are an upgrade from that, and they're pretty cheap, only $129 for the whole set. That's a pretty good value. So if you are either on a tight budget, tired of waiting for things to be in stock, or you don't use your lat pull down that much and you just want a little bit of variety, I think they're a great option. However, if you use the lat pull down a lot and you have the budget for it, I do still recommend you go with the mag grips. They feel better in your hand, and let's be honest, sometimes it's nice to support the actual maker and not just the knockoffs, which I know is a little hypocritical because I do promote quite a bit of Titan Fitness stuff over Rogue, and those are direct knockoffs as well. So I'm aware of that, but the mag grips are just gonna feel better. I don't like the thick rounded handle at the top. It's kind of weird. I'm not really sure why it's there. But again, for the price, it's a pretty awesome deal. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, hit the thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe. There's a lot more Garage Gym Gains content coming soon. Check out the podcast. It's on Spotify, Garage Gym Gains with a Z. We have a couple episodes right now, but we're trying to get those out a little bit quicker for you. But if you work out at home, work out in a garage, work out in a basement, this is definitely the channel for you.